Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
If you ever bought something that promised to be simple, follow the steps, and still ended up with nothing to show for, stay with me. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly why that keeps happening. And a 3-step process that's already changed that for people who'd given up hope it ever would. Here's what's actually going on. You bought something that said it was simple. 3 steps, done for you. Just follow along. Then step 2 needed a tech integration you'd never heard of, or a paid upgrade, or traffic you didn't have. So you stopped and waited for the next thing. That's not weakness. That's what happens when products are designed to look simple in a demo and sell on a launch email, not to actually work. You see, the people selling you those products make their money from the launch, not from your results. You're not a customer to most of those products. You're a click, and that's why the cycle keeps running. What I found was different, and it's 3 steps. Step 1, you type a short sentence into a free AI tool. It creates a piece of content for you. You didn't write it, you didn't record it, the AI handle it. Step number 2, you post that content to a platform where millions of people are already browsing and buying every single day. The audience is already there. Step 3, interested people reach out. You use a built-in chat feature on that same platform. One short message, they ask for your link, you send it. When they buy, you get paid. That's it. No software dashboard, no monthly fees, no integrations, no camera. Everything runs from your phone. I built past 6 figures with this exact type of system. My first attempt reached more than 30,000 people without spending $1 on ads. But my numbers aren't the ones that matter most right now. You see, one of my students, James, he followed this process. In his first 7 days, he generated $6,000. Not his first month, his first week. Samantha was newer to this, more skeptical, but she made $2,000 in her first month. Neither of them had a following. Neither of them had done anything like this before. They followed the steps, money came in. That process is what Money Bullet teaches. Step by step, click by click, on a real phone. You get the complete 3-step training, the AI prompt method that generates your content in minutes, the platform posting walkthrough, the chat conversion method that turns viewers into buyers, the phone-only setup guide, plus 3 bonuses including the proven formats pack and the zero-cost launch map. Total value well above $197. Your price today is $17.97. One time, no monthly fees, no upsells required to make it work, and here's my guarantee. Go through it, follow the steps. If you don't feel like this is the clearest, most actionable process you ever bought at this price, let me know within 30 days and I'll refund every cent. No questions, no hoops. You keep the training. Either way, the risk is entirely on me. You have 2 choices right now. Close this video, go back to the inbox, wait for the next launch, and find out in a few weeks that it's the same cycle all over again, or click the button below. Get instant access to Money Bullet for $17.97. Go through it today and take your first real action before tonight. The downside is 1 email and a refund. I've already told you that. The upside is the rest of your year. Click the button below right now. I'll see you on the inside.